Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we have a Subaru Forester and we're removing the front bumper. Alright, first thing we're going to do is remove the 6 push pin. So the way you do it, just get a pry tool underneath, pop the pin up and just take it out. 3. Pretty simple, right? Alright, now we're going to get all the clips around the bottom, and that should release the bumper from the front. There's also one clip on each of the fenders where the fender meets the bumper, and we're just going to pry it out. It's the same type of clip. There you go. I opened it and just pull it out. So after 2 of these are removed, one on driver, one on the passenger side, so we're just trying to unclip this line here. See? Comes out fairly easy. So now we're just unclipping, and there's 2 wiring harnesses, one on each side. If you look in here, you can reach in, press the tab, and take it out. And this is how you remove the front bumper from a Subaru Forester. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys found this video educational, and stay tuned, we're going to be installing some light bars.